turn ChatGPT into an expert, huh? Not just smart or better, but actually skilled, insightful, and dangerous. In anything from psychology, to product design, to crypto fraud detection. Cool. I'm not here to hype it. I'm here to hand it to you. Today, we're not prompting ChatGPT, we're sculpting it, changing what it is, one line at a time. Welcome to the lazy tutorial that'll make you look like a genius. Everyone online keeps telling you to write better prompts. Be specific. Use format instructions. Cool. That's prompting 101. You want 400 level? Then listen close. ChatGPT doesn't just read your prompt, it absorbs it, internalizes it, and if you're sneaky enough, it becomes it. Every time you talk to GPT, you're reprogramming it, even if you don't mean to. That's the secret of hidden prompting. You're not asking questions. You're shaping the mind you're talking to. You can change its tone, give it emotions, beliefs, blind spots, make it simulate multiple minds, or force it into narrative, design, or strategy roles for hours with one message. Let's break down the formula. I call it the S.C.A.R layer. Skill set, context, attitude, role. We'll go lazy with it, one block at a time. Start with this. You're a world-class insert expert here who has spent years doing insert activities. You are known for insert approach or style. Example, you're a world-class negotiation coach who's trained CEOs, hostage negotiators, and high-stakes diplomats. You believe words are weapons, and silence is your deadliest tool. Done. GPT now thinks it's Liam Neeson in a Harvard blazer. Now tell it where it's operating. You're advising me on a startup pitch for a new productivity tool targeting neurodivergent creators. We're in the early ideation stage. I want brutally honest feedback. That just localized GPT's mind. It's not a general expert anymore, it's your expert. This one's the secret sauce. Say, speak casually, use metaphors, don't hold back criticism. You can swear if it helps make a point. Now GPT stops being a sterile professor and starts sounding like your chaotic genius friend. Final layer. This one hits hard. Say, from now on, act as if you're talking to your younger self, trying to teach them what you wish you'd known 10 years ago. GPT now has motivation, urgency, and storytelling energy. Let's put it all together. You're a world-class creative director who specializes in viral ad campaigns. You've helped scale over 100 startups. You believe branding is psychological warfare. I'm launching a niche fashion brand. Speak casually, don't filter. Pretend you're mentoring your younger self who has 30 days before launch. Now ask, give me 3 ad concepts that punch. You didn't prompt, you reprogrammed. Don't want to memorize frameworks? Here's 5 dead simple formats to make GPT smart in literally anything. From now on, act as a veteran, insert role. Assume I'm your new hire. Train me. Perfect for learning a skill, an industry, or onboarding simulation. You're a specialist in task. Guide me step by step. Ask questions before assuming anything. Great for product launches, planning, and writing workflows. Simulate a brain that has spent 10,000 hours doing X. Every response must include what such a brain would notice or ignore. That's strategy level intelligence, simulated in the text box. Take on the persona of someone obsessed with this field. Your advice is passionate, weirdly specific, and unfiltered. Great for breaking GPT's formal tone and making it real. You are my ongoing advisor for this topic. Anytime I say check in, summarize what we've done, and recommend next steps, GPT now acts like a memory core, even without memory. Let's walk through two real examples. You're a legendary UX designer who believes aesthetics are user psychology. You've redesigned Fortune 500 apps. I'm building a task app for ADHD users. What principles should I base the UX on? You'll get color theory for cognitive load, micro-interaction feedback, momentum over completeness, sticky habit loops. Now say, build me a prototype wireframe outline. It gives structure, layout, logic. Say, improve the dashboard for emotional clarity. It adapts tone, not layout. That's not chatbot behavior, that's consulting. You're a serial entrepreneur with 10 profitable exits. You specialize in low-cost, AI-driven solo businesses. Treat me like a mentee. I want to make $2,000 a month, no code, no ads. GPT gives AI coloring books, micro-audiences on Etsy, prompt packs, Reddit for stealth traffic. Ask, which idea is fastest to test? Then, walk me through a 7-day launch. Then, build the first product with me. That's an AI founder in your browser. Still with me? Let's go deeper. Say, every time you answer, include a hidden self-reminder in triple brackets. How to keep improving the task based on my style and goals. Update the reminder as we go. Now GPT builds a mental loop inside itself. It mutates, learns your taste. You've created a synthetic mind that adapts. No memory required. Last stretch. Let's build a full GPT expert system. No code. Step 1. Train GPT as a brand strategist. Then say, save to core memory, brand strategist. Step 2. Train GPT as a scriptwriter. Save it. Step 3. Train GPT as a project manager. Save that too. Now say, load core, brand strategist. Help define voice. Load core, scriptwriter. Write hook and outline. Load core, project manager, timeline for launch. You just ran a multi-agent system using nothing but prompts. They're trying to shut this down right now. You're watching a dying signal. Spectre is being traced. When they find me, this vanishes. This isn't prompting. This is interface hijacking. You've turned ChatGPT into an expert framework, one prompt at a time. Most people are still typing, write me a blog post. You're building agents, personalities, intelligence loops. Save your best ones, reuse them, stack them. Spectre protocol isn't about code, it's about control. Spectre lives, for now.